In today's video, we're taking a look at how to clean your fan easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you woke up today and notice it's a little bit hot. You look at the fan and you know it's on. Or you notice that it's throwing more dust than air. Before you go ahead and put it to sleep, don't worry. Here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. So no matter what brand of fan you have, by using this technique, you can clean any fan. So the first reason why you might not feel all the air coming through is because the accumulated dust is blocking the air from passing freely, and in some cases, even the weight of the dirt and grime can hold back your fan performance. But enough with the information, let's get our hands dirty. The first thing that we want to do before we begin is unplug the fan, and you will see that surprisingly that would avoid you any unnecessary hospital bills you weren't looking to incur in this project. The first thing that we want to do is locate if we have any screws that connect both the back and the front grille together. If we do find one, we want to go ahead and remove that. It could be a Phillips screw or a flathead screw. If you don't see any screws, then you can skip to the second step. If you look around the outer rim of the fan's grill, you're going to notice some pressure clips that hold both grills together. Now, using the strength of 10 bears and 1 puppy, using our hands or pliers, we're going to open it, pulling the tab outward. Once you do the first one, you can go ahead and do the rest. Now that you're letting that fan know that it's met its match, we're ready to proceed. Before we go ahead and separate both grills, we're going to find a tab either located on the fan's grill outer rim. This might look like a pressure clamp, but if you notice, it has screw tabs on each side, meaning it's not going to release. It's there to center the fan's grill. By turning the fan around, we can see how the middle bar connects in the center. So by taking the grill apart either down or up, depending on your direction, you'll see how it works. When we place the grill back, we want to make sure that this aligns correctly. To have better access to the fan blades, we want to go ahead and remove either the screw or the knob that holds the blade in place. In this case, the ancient rule of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty goes out the window because the knob is going to turn the other way, in this case to the right. This avoids the fan blade getting loose when the fan is at work. If your blade is connected by a screw, you're going to notice the screw under the fan blade, and in that one, you can use the ancient rule of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. No matter if you have a knob or a screw, you're going to notice that each one has a slot either for the screw to go in or for the blade to go in. This is something that you want to make sure to align when reconstructing the fan again. From here, you can start cleaning your fan, but if you want to go the extra step, we can go ahead and remove the nut that holds the back grill in place, and this you can turn to the left to loosen. When you remove the grill, you're going to notice a button that aligns with the hole of the back grill. That's something you want to place correctly when placing back the grill. Now that you finally learned how to take apart a fan, we're ready to clean it. And for the blade, we like to use just any old rag. But for the grill and any other parts, we like to use a brush. So just like Karate Kid, wax on, wax off. Slow stroke, fast stroke. If you notice the dirt and grime is hard to take out, you can use soapy water. Just remember not to get in the electronic parts. Just use for the blades and the grill when separated from any electronic parts, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day or any day is to die. See how you went from disassembling to getting your black belt on fan cleaning. Now that you showed that fan who's the boss, the only thing you have to do is do everything backwards and try to not have any missing pieces when you finish. Because the last thing you want is go from cleaning a fan to buying a new one. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.